Hi everybody, it's Miranda. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hello. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. I finally got, dun dun dun, my Boxycharm. I'm sorry if you haven't gotten yours yet, but we can have fun opening mine. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly prescription. Here in Canada I pay about $35, but in the US I think it's $21. Still a really good deal. They haven't let me down yet. So let's find out what I got. So this is the box that you get it in. Oh, and I haven't done my hair yet. I'm wearing these cute little cat things. There's another YouTuber, and I'm going to link her channel down below. But this is to support you. What do you think? Kind of cute. Yeah. Anyways, so let's get back into Boxycharm. So, this is what it comes and looks like. And the theme this month is La Vie en Rose. Pretty. And then it tells you what you got and kind of highlights the product. So let's choose this first. So these are brushes by Moda. And let's see what we got here. I'm back in my other room because they were working in the other part of the house, so yeah. Can't wait till it's over. So that's a really nice brush. I love rose gold. Look at that, it's really nice. Nice body. Nice brush. To focus on my face. So that is the powder brush, I do believe. That should be really nice for setting powder and stuff. And the next one is more of like a, ooh, it's kind of really flimsy, so I would probably use it for like, just like highlight. Again, that's still like a really nice brush. Let's see if I can focus. Get rid of my head. It's not focusing, I don't know why, but yeah. I mean, it's soft, but kind of flimsy, but I like my brushes, you know I do. And how much do those retail for? $29, so it would be about almost 40 bucks here, so that's pretty good. So yay for my number one. Okay. Next one is a Wonder Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Peel Off Mask. Like, I like peel off mask for like the T-zone, but not so much for like these areas. So we'll give it a try. Let's see if I can get this one to focus. There we go. It's gold, not rose gold, but it's still the bottle's kind of sticking with the theme. Let's put it on the back of my hand. Why? These get me every time. You're probably watching my videos thinking, why can she not? I got body scrub. Sorry if you can hear my children. I got body scrub today and I was in the shower and I must have just splashed on my mouth, but it was like a salt scrub. Oh man, I was gagging and trying to get as much water and spitting it out. Ugh, it was so gross. Anyways, doesn't have much to smell. Let's do that. And ooh, it's definitely a rose gold though coming out. Let's leave that on there for now, but you can see it's pretty. Not that you need pretty for PLS mask, it's still kind of a nice bonus. So that retails for $34, so about 41 bucks here in Canada. That's pretty good. Okay, so Ofra. That's a nice, and this is in the color, Monaco. So, I've never had an Ofra before. It's like I'm raising elephants. If you can hear that, I'm sorry, but that's the color. It's nice. Let's put it right here. Oh, it's nice. It's not like, not as dark like in the bottle. You can see it's got like, it's rolled gold, obviously. That's nice. I like that. I've got my Fenty lipstick on, kind of toned it down a little bit. What do you think? I like it. Okay, the Ofra is $20. Woohoo! Well, that's pretty cool. Okay, I got two more things. Okay, so Peel Liquid Eyeshadow. And that's, I'd say, more of a gold. And it's upside down. It's nice. I'm not sure if I'm gonna open this. I might put this into a giveaway. I'm just not a fan of liquid eyeshadow. We'll see. And ooh, come on out. Oh, the Appeal is $21. Wow, okay. Last but not least, Cover FX. Ooh, it's actually like a really nice like box for it, and then it says what they all are in the back. Although I kind of wish they didn't say. Maybe they'll say it in the front part too. It says what they are. What is this? A light? Oh, I got the right one. A light to medium. So sorry if I can see if I can, or maybe more better this way. There we go. Those are really nice colors. Let's see if I can swatch them. So, this is the contour. Start down here. So it's just a nice light contour. Blush. Woo, hello. A little bit toned down, like I mean on a brush it would come off differently. Highlighter. Ooh, I don't know if you can see that. Wants to focus on my face. Highlighter. The other highlighter, which is a little bit lighter in color. And brightener. Can't really see the brightener, but it's nice, a nice brightener. And then the finishing powder, which again you can't see, but it's actually matching my skin color pretty good. So yeah, that's a really nice palette. Sorry, my children. Yeah. So yeah, overall, no earthquake is happening here. Overall, I'm pretty happy with my box. What did you get? I didn't know there was like a, oh, I stuck my hand in this stuff. How long does that take to dry? Obviously a while. It's still very, very wet. Sorry, I'm not going to be able to stand here and show you the satisfaction of peeling that off, but what do I like this? Anyways, yeah, what did you get in your box? Did you like what I got in my box? I'm pretty much going to use everything except for that liquid eyeliner, I think, or eyeshadow, sorry. I'll probably give that in a giveaway. So again, stay tuned. I do have a few things that are in the giveaway. I might just do a little mini, like, ooh, we got to 50, because I have quite a few things in the box. and then we'll do like a 100 and then a 500. So share my video and press the like and subscribe. Do all the good stuff because I love it when you guys do it, and support. Yeah. I did it again. I don't know if I like how sticky it is. I don't know. Maybe I just layered it on too thick. Anyways, I still have a few videos coming up. I did get one of my Ipsy. Did I say Ipsy before? I don't know. I got one of my Ipsies, but I think my other one is lost because it hasn't left the building it's showing. Where this one I could track to see where it was. So I might have to get a hold of somebody because I think it's lost and it's not coming, because it was like the 9th it got sent out. And what are we? 27th, something like that. I just keep touching it. I don't know why. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I have a few other videos. I know I've got stuff coming, but it just seems like Canada Post is just taking their time. I don't know what's going on. It's not like we're on strike or anything. I don't know. So yep, we'll see you next time. Hope everybody's having an awesome day, and goodbye. Bye guys.